With the county government of Bungoma, an agreement that we have agreed that our 60 clinical officers who are on contract now will be offered the permanent and pensionable terms at the end of their contract.
Moving forward, we are going back to work to serve our patients, to stay in the environment that we are trained to, the environment we like. To the members of the union, you are warmly saluted that you kept the faith. You stand strong against intimidation by fighting for your rights.
Agreed to implement the guidelines for the clinical officers, and therefore once it is adopted and the normal procedure, we are going to implement it fully.
Having agreed to this level, it means we are towards saving a life. Clinical officers are very critical in our service delivery and also healthcare system, and we don't take for granted anything that is raised on that matter. And